Most cases, you don't really build deep learning methods, and 80 to 90% of the cases out there, you're not going to build deep learning models. You're going to build k-means clustering or nearest neighbor clustering or anything like that. Simple cases, but something of everything. Okay, build up something that you can be proud of, and also visualize it. Remember, data science is the back end stuff. Nobody really knows what's going on there. The client and the web devs design the interface, the UI that's seen by your boss and also your clients, and that's what makes the difference. And if you can show a very good graph and that your model is very close to the actual observations, that's where the real value in data science lies. Nothing before that. You can have the world's best model, but if you can't deploy it, only you can understand it. Only you and a few technical other programmers can understand it. So it really comes down to, I would say being a full stack data scientist or full stack machine learning engineer. That's something that you might aim to, but it takes a lot of time to build that up, and it's a marathon. It's not a race. Don't be too hard on yourself. So take your time and learn everything. Okay. If there aren't any other questions, I'm just going to post the links. Quickly post these two for you guys in the chat anyway, so that you have them. Just go through those. Those are just a few examples of what we have tonight, and have a good evening. Oh. Imposter syndrome. It's always there. Fake it till you make it. Always. Even some of the best individuals that I have worked with, very senior guys, sometimes you realize that their self-confidence is not as much as you think it is. So just believe in yourself. That's all that you need to know. Fake it till you make it. Seriously. Remember, it's not about you getting caught out because they hire a data scientist because you're the guy that knows the most in that field, and you're supposed to be the guy that knows the most, and not everyone knows all the answers all the time. So just keep on treading the water, keep on swimming.
Thanks, Robert.
Sure. Okay, guys, have a good evening.